Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making ogbono soup. This soup is thick, hearty and delicious, and you can have it with any swallow of choice. So this is the grinded ogbono. This is what the seed looks like before you grind it. You have to peel it, clean it, then you dry it, and then you grind it into the powdered form for making the soup. So that's what I'm doing right here in the video. And this is the powdered form. You can blend it in your spice blender or in your regular blender. So here I have some stockfish, blended pepper, dry fish, some cow foot, cow tripe, shaki, cow skin, which is ponmo, the blended ogbono, and some beef. I also have some Cameroon pepper, palm oil, Uziza leaves, iru or locust beans. This gives you the traditional flavor. Some onions, some crayfish powder, and that's all for the ingredients. So here I am going in with my beef. I'm going to cook all my proteins in the pot and season it with some seasoning cube and some salt.